close? Am I close?
I'm sure it's fine.
Okay. You ready? Climb aboard.
I'm not ready.
All right, what we're doing is we are installing a hot tub. I always said that I'd never buy one, but we've been having some back pains and stuff like that, so I thought, a hot tub might not be too bad. So Kylie and I today are installing the wire for it, for the heater and the pumps and all that. It's a 6-gauge 4-wire that we're installing. And what we're doing is we're going up the wall here, across the ceiling, and then down behind the flag into the fuse box or the breaker box over there. And that's the task at hand right now. So we've already drilled the holes. Kylie drilled the holes. And so we've got the wire fed up through there. She's got to go up and feed it down through. And I'm going to put her up through that hole right there with the loader.
And it's going to be hot.
It might be a little warm. It's warming up outside.
Ah. Oh. Okay, let's go. I don't think I need it.
Too high?
I'm scared. No, it's fine.
Or anything up there.
Uh-huh. Where do I...
Just set it in there somewhere.
Hello?
Can you get up there or let me go higher?
I'm up.
See any boogeyman?
I hope not. Could be somebody living up here. Okay, I'm going. It's hot. Holy...
What's the matter?
I'm hot. I found it. Well, it goes through on a short side. Do I have to crawl through there?
It does what, hon?
Goes through over where it's short. Do I have to like crawl through there?
Yeah.
Ew.
I don't know what she said.
Oh, it's heavy. What am I hitting?
Nothing here.
Should I start going?
Where are you?
I'm still over here.
Well, do you got enough to go across yet, you think?
I don't know.
Why don't you see?
What?
Why don't you see if you do?
Okay. I'm gonna have to crawl. Ah! I don't even want to know what kind of spiders are making these webs. Wait.
What?
Do I go all the way to the wall?
Yeah, down here where the breaker box is.
Oh, I don't think I needed to crawl like this.
You what?
I don't think I needed to crawl like this.
Why would you crawl? Just take it across the
Because I'm going
middle.
straight across. I have to crawl over here.
Huh. Didn't know she was doing that.
Huh?
Didn't know you were doing that. I'm sorry, hon.
I told you I was. You said yes, I had to.
I thought you had to crawl to get back to get the wire.
Nope, I'm crawling all the way across.
Well, go back out to the middle.
I'm getting ready to.
Sorry, I didn't realize it.
Ow! Okay, I'm over here.
Okay. Well, let's see if you can find that hole there and stick it down through it.
Well, I might need more line.
Okay. You probably can't get lucky enough just to pull on it, can you?
No, I'm just gonna go get a little bit more. Got the camera over here?
Yep. Hey, there it comes.
Tell me how much you need.
That's good right there.
Well, do you want me to give all I have or it's fine?
No, that's good. Now take the rest of it over and or I'm going to pull on it and pull it back down.
Okay.
If it'll come down.
Pull it down. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. That's good. That's good.
Done?
Yeah, that's good.
There it is. Wait a second.
Nobody wants to see what I'm about to look like. My chin is dripping.
Okay.
Can I come down?
Yeah. Hey, grab a couple of those screws too.
I got them. What do you want?
This.
Hole's too big.
Okay, I want you to drill a hole through it.
Does it matter where?
No. But you go out and stick the cord through and I will pull it.
Roger that.
Roger, Dodger.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do we want to dig?
May as well.
We still have our Christmas lights up. Should I take them down?
It's Christmas in July everywhere.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Should have done what?
Should have probably put this on.
You can't pull it. You have to push it. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Is it going?
Mm-hmm. Well, it didn't go in very far. It's not even straight. There.
Hey.
That's what you gotta have fingers for.
I guess. Now, we need to take one of them long sticks.
Now we lay the pipe. Shoot, this is like professional work. Can I see that?
It is, because if it was me, I'd have never put contour on it.
Okay.
Maybe it won't dry that fast. Okay, go down there and pull on it. Hurry. Hurry.
Well, you probably can't get it in there. There. Looks good. Yep.
Cool.
Watch out, camera. Okay.
Go pull it. Oh, you can get it there?
Yeah, it's close enough.
Okay.
Boom! Woo! Is it gonna like fit down in there?
Yeah, it will.
Looks good. Check out our pad. Ooh, baby.
Yes, Grandpa and Corky and Kylie built that. We do have some video of it going up, but nothing special, and it's actually kind of
Temporary.
temporary,
That's what we keep saying.
supposedly. But yeah, they built the frame and then filled it with rock, and then the next day we picked up that pad that the hot tub's going to sit on, and then bought those pavers, and they put the pavers on. They did a really good job. And
Great. Well, where's the measuring tape? Good question. So it's gonna have to be like 11 and a half.
11 and a quarter.
11 in there. That'll be fine. What was it, 11 and
I was going to say
quarter?
11 and a quarter, which would be right there at
Yeah.
that mark.
Whoa!
Aren't sawzalls?
Jumping around. Okay, let's go. Okay. Another one. I love this stuff. Your arm's probably right where people are trying to see.
Probably. Now, if we'd have been experts, we'd have had that right over against the hot tub frame here and stuff.
What would?
It'd be clear over here instead of.
That's not gonna happen.
Okay, more of that.
Okay, this is gonna be hard, so we have to be ready.
I'm sure people will tell us in the comments how we didn't do it right.
Yeah. Okay, how do we want it? Straight up?
Yeah, probably.
Dad, it's drying. You're like ruining the seal. You're on my fingers. Who is it?
How we doing? Good, old buddy. How you doing?
Okay. 5 and you keep moving it.
What?
It was at 6, now it's at 5.5. 6.
Let's make it 6 then.
6?
Yeah.
Whoa, I'm like passing out, man. Shoot. Scutter.
Got it.
Look, there's our hot tub water in the Spray King. Yeah, she's getting nice and hot.
We're utilizing solar power.
6 inches? Woo! Oh, I'm starting to get in a little bit of a better mood, so that's good.
That's 9.
No, it's not. Dad, you're an idiot. Move. Beautiful. You can do it. That's what you should title the video. You can do it. We can do it. Oh! Shoot, that's perfect.
Okay. That's where it's going to be.
I think it's fine. Okay, now what?
Fill her back in.
Woo! What about rocks?
It's all right. We're in conduit. That's what everybody says we need to do.
It's because we can do it.
That's right. Uh-oh.
What?
Hammer fell over.
Oh, it's okay.
Well, here it is, guys. We got our hot tub. The guys from Rainbow's Hot Tubs and Spas brought it. Brought a little trailer, unhooked it off their truck, pulled it around, pushed it on there. They adjusted it, showed us how to run it, and they left. One thing we didn't do, though, is video the wiring it up. Now, Dad came down and he wired it up on the box in the garage. And then that was after Kylie ran all the wire and all that kind of stuff, and we didn't video any of that. And then Kylie ended up wiring it up right here. It was very self-explanatory in there. Told where the colors of wires go, so it was pretty easy. But Kylie did that. But we did get some video of putting water in it. We put water in my spray tank, or the tank that we haul water and we haul liquid fertilizer into the field. Then we let it sit out here in the driveway for a couple days, and the water was 86 degrees when we put it in a hot tub. But we got it put in, and it worked out real well. I'm not going to open it because I actually have to get in to open it, but I can do it. And when Kylie gets home, we'll open it and we'll dig on it and look at it and stuff like that. But check it out. If we can walk around and look at it. Now, we got to do some work here on the power. We got to dig just a little bit farther with the conduit and bring it out to here and then in. And we did figure that we're going to have just enough wire to do it. I ordered 90 feet of wire, $264 for 6'4" wire. But $350 to have 10 ton of driveway gravel brought in here. And oh well, that's the way it is. But we got this top here on it, and this mechanism here makes it so when you take your top off, it doesn't fall all clear off on the ground and stuff like that. And I think that's going to be pretty cool. But no, we're happy with everything. This is actually the next day. It's actually Friday night. It's actually last night when you guys are watching this. See our trench right down here where Kylie buried the electric line. All the way over there, the garage. I got to tell you something too, you know. Kylie's amazing. She can do just about anything. I mean, you've seen her do stuff, and I've seen her do stuff, and it helps us out so much, her being here and doing what she does. And she's particular, so things get done right and they get finished right. But she basically put this whole pad together, her and my dad, and Corky helped, and I actually sat in a chair and I watched. But I think it's going to be a good thing having a hot tub. A few years ago, if you'd asked me if I want a hot tub, I'd say, heck no, I won't spend the money on it. But I've been having a little trouble with my back, and just figured this would be a good way to relax in the evening. Been having trouble sleeping and all that, so. But on that note, we're gonna wind this up. Oh, I gotta get Kylie to come out here and open it up. But they're away right now. Might even be dark when they get home, so we may not even get to see the inside yet.
We're digging on it. It's dark out.
It's dark. Ooh, that was warm.
Woo! Okay, it's 100 degrees. Turn on the jets. How about the lights?
It's steaming. Probably fogging up the camera.
Well, there it is, ladies and gents. It's beautiful.
One bad thing is we do have a light bulb itself. But it'll be alright. We're gonna fix it.
Is it bright?
That's a bright light.
Looks good. Are we done digging on it?
Yep.
You getting in it?
I wanted us all to be in it for the ending of the video, but they got busy today and we got busy today. I got busy today, and that's just the way it is. So, but I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and check to make sure you are subscribed. I've had some people say that they're unsubscribed for some reason, but check it out. Leave me a comment if you'd like. I really enjoy the comments. If you need a t-shirt or a sweatshirt or something, we got some spring stuff. Picture of the planter and the tractor on it's pretty cool. Go to harmlessfarmer.com and check that out. And thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos.